Hello dear all beautiful learners, welcome all to our today's session once again. We already discussed many of the important topics from chapter 8. Today another important topics is waiting for you, that is the internal structure of monocot. So my dear students, I hope so you will be getting fine and you are connecting here as previous time and do the class properly and stay safe in the home. My dear students, now let's go to the class. Actually, internal structure of the monocot. Internal structure of monocot stem. Different kinds of tissue types we already completed. So today we will discuss about internal structure of monocot stem. So which stem we will get it there? Maize. Structure of maize stem. So TS of the maize, if we want to go through understanding about that one. So first one we will give like that type of structure in outer growth. So in this way, look at here, you can give it the cuticle, actually the outer part and outgrowth, epidermal layer also you can connecting with this one and try to draw as me here. I am drawing, and then another layer you can go through for this one. This way you will draw this one and make it double as that. In this way you can draw this figure. In this way you can try to draw the figure, the outer growth, and not only this one, you can draw the several simultaneous layer like that. I just draw in two way, in this way. So so you will draw in this way the epidermal layer, and then what will you do? Outer cuticle, then epidermis and hypodermis layer we drawn here, and the outer part will be thick more for drawing this one. Okay, now we will try to draw some structure like this one. We already draw and discuss about the stellar region, cortical region, many of them. Okay, so we will try to draw like this one in this way, and there in the center we will covering the area. Suppose now I try to cover area in this way. It is my own sense, you can draw by your sense also. I just try to draw this there is an area and make it this type of a structure on there in the endodermal layer. Okay, do it. In this way you can draw this one, and not only for single layer, it can be double, triple layer, you can give it there. Okay, and not only for that, you make it double. That means the thickness for making understand of that one properly. In this way we will just getting a shape in between them, and then also I can also be separate a layer like that here. Okay, in this one, and then this type of a structure we can see in them, and other layer will be in covering and double. just having that structure like that, and the outer growth can as like as the timing what we draw, that one, the cortical outer layer. Okay, not bad at all, just having the structure like that. Okay, this one just I try to draw this one on, so I hope so you will also getting fine and joining, who are joining very good. Jaima, Nuzhat Tasnim, Sabrina Hussein, okay, Aisha Siddiqa, all of you, walaikum assalam, and very not very good morning, now we can say also good morning. Okay, thank you for your presence. Yes, I told you actually I have a lots of class in both school and college section, so I take some earlier of your class. So now we will try to market the cuticle, the outer part. Then just below the cuticle, the epidermis. Then just this layer, the thick layer, is the hypodermis. In very last class I told you in where hypodermis is present and not. Then these are the ground tissue, ground part, cortical region with the ground part, cortical region with ground tissue. Then these are the bundle sheath. This layer is the bundle sheath. Then we can see the phloem here also. Look at here. These are the phloem layer of that. Phloem we can see. Then the metaxylem is the fat and bigger size. Metaxylem, and this one is the protoxylem, the smallest one. Protoxylem. Yes. Then yes, all of them are the vascular bundle. And finally figure TS of monocot stem. TS of monocot stem, actually the maze we try to understand. And you know that the endodermal layer, I didn't mark it, you can write also mark that one also. So my dear students, now we will try to understand the all parts we know. Already we have discussed in the dicot stem in very last and before the last class, the cuticle, epidermis, hypodermis, cortical region with ground tissue. Okay, these are the we know that the epidermal tissue system, cortical region with other parts is the ground tissue system. Phloem and xylem are the vascular tissue system, like that. Actually we can go through understanding about all kinds of tissue system like that, where it is found. The three tissue system we can separate there on the specific case. Okay, by the way, now we will try to understand about the specific parts, all the internal structure of monocot. So epidermis, what is epidermis? An epidermical layer, most external, we will write short, external protective layer, most external protective layer. This one is very important. And you know, parenchyma cell consists of parenchyma cell. It consists of parenchyma cell, epidermal cell or parenchyma cell. Okay, so this is the two part. That means it is the protective layer, and parent consists of parenchyma cell is the epidermis. That means when we will try to discuss the structure, internal structure of the monocot stem, that times what we will think about that, the specific parts, the mentioning there, we will explain with a few sentences each of them. So epidermis we understand now. Hypodermis is the two parts, the hypodermis. So just below the epidermis, hypodermis, it is present just below the epidermis. It is present just below the epidermis. We know that I write the two layer actually here. In case of there, it consists of three layers of sclerenchyma cell. So sclerenchyma, parenchyma, these are asking for SQ types of question. Sclerenchyma cell. So it consists of three layers of sclerenchyma cell or tissues, you can write about that. And then after we can say compactly arranged, and intercellular is there is no intercellular space. There is no intercellular space. There is no intercellular space. So my dear students, look at here. What is the epidermis? Epidermis and hypodermis, actually internal structure of monocot stem, what we try to understand. That times all the layer to be mentioned. Yes, Jahidul Alam Maruf, Yasin Sabbir, good to see of your joining, and alaikum salam, my dear students. So epidermis is outer layer, and here three layer. Since the three layer, you can give it another layer if you have any space. Just three layer, you can give it the information to put it there. Just three layers, 1, 2, 3 layers. It is present just below the epidermis. Of course, we have seen that the cuticle is very outer thin layer, then epidermis, then hypodermis just below the epidermis. Consists of three layers of sclerenchyma cells or tissues, and they are so much compact, so there is no intercellular space in them. So this is the two parts what we discussed. Protective layer and parenchyma cell consist of epidermis, hypodermis just below the epidermis, sclerenchyma cell consist of and no intercellular space. So now we understand these two parts. Now we will go to the ground tissue. Third one, I think you understand this one. Third one is ground tissue. Number third is ground tissue. Ground tissue. Tissues or tissue, you can write there. We have seen the wide mass of loosely arranged parenchyma cell. We can write just below hypodermis. Below hypodermis. Loosely arranged tissues. Okay, so then it is the parenchyma cells consist of their intercellular space also be there. Intercellular space present. So what we try to learn from there, ground tissue system. Simple. So dear students, you can write your own sense also. This is very simple. Since I make you understand the criterion guideline, so on the basis of that guideline you will write by your own self. You can see the loosely arranged cells or tissues. they are the parenchyma cells since they are intercellular space. Very simple but interesting for understanding. Okay, so ground tissues we understand. Now vascular bundle. Number 4, vascular bundle. Vascular bundle. That means all the tissue types: epidermal, epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, and vascular tissue system. All tissue systems is coming in there, and we can try to draw this one. Okay, numerous number, actually more than 8 vascular bundle are found here. More than 8 vascular bundle found here. More than 8 vascular bundle are found scattered in the ground tissue systems. Of course, we can think about that. Yes, is vascular bundle conjoint? And very important, conjoint, collateral and closed. Collateral and closed. Conjoint, collateral and closed. So vascular bundle types, in very last class, who didn't do the class, please, before understanding the conjoint, collateral and closed type of vascular bundle, do the class. Very important class I took in maybe 27 August, maybe, I think, I cannot remember the date. So do the class first, then do this one and understand conjoint, collateral and closed types of vascular bundle present in them. And sclerenchyma sheath present. Sclerenchyma sheath. Sclerenchyma sheath present around the vascular bundle. Around the vascular bundle. Sclerenchyma sheath. This is sclerenchyma sheath present around the vascular bundle. Okay, sclerenchyma sheath present around the vascular bundle is known as bundle sheath. What we written here? Bundle sheath. Sclerenchyma sheath present around the vascular bundle is called bundle sheath. Important, very important, this one. So vascular bundle types, more than 8 vascular bundle are present. The vascular bundle types are the conjoint, collateral and closed. Sclerenchyma sheath around the vascular bundle. You can write also, you can give it there, also having this one, also having this one. Okay, with the phloem. These are the sclerenchyma sheath present around the vascular bundle. Is the bundle sheath is present also. So more than 8 vascular bundle is present, conjoint, collateral, closed and sclerenchyma sheath around the vascular bundle. That means phloem and xylem. Then the sheath is arranged them or around them is called bundle sheath. So this is the vascular tissue system, and specifically we can try to know about the vascular bundle, then xylem and phloem. 2 types of vascular bundle. We will just short notice or short few notes we can get from. So number 4, vascular bundle, and then after number 4, then A, xylem. What about xylem? What we see here? Yes, it is metaxylem and protoxylem. We know metaxylem. Metaxylem actually towards periphery. Okay, periphery. And protoxylem center, towards center. Actually they are moving on and placed in on there, and consist of actually xylem. It consists of xylem vessel and xylem parenchyma. Xylem vessel and xylem parenchyma cell. Xylem parenchyma consists of xylem vessel and xylem parenchyma. Sometimes some tracheids can also be present. V or Y shaped, we can get it from there, V or Y shaped, and then a large water filled cavity, large water filled cavity is there, cavity present. So, and then the phloem, if we try to understand the phloem, what we actually try to go through about the phloem. Yes, two arms of V and Y shaped xylem elements. It is present in between xylem, of course, in between xylem it is present, and then it consists of sheath tube and companion cell. Consists of sheath tube and companion cell. So the xylem and phloem are the vascular bundle types. Two types we already try to understand about that one. And what are the xylem? We have seen the protoxylem and metaxylem. Look at here, metaxylem, that means those xylem towards the periphery, circumference, and protoxylem towards the center. Okay, so this is the present. It consists of xylem vessel and xylem parenchyma. Xylem tissue, of course, have the four important parts: tracheid, fiber, xylem vessel, xylem parenchyma. Except fiber, all three are present, but tracheid is very few amount. So here mentioning the xylem vessel and xylem parenchyma are present. V or Y shape. Look at here that it look like V or Y shaped structure, and large water filled cavity. These are the xylem, and in between them a hollow and large cavity is there, that is water filled cavity, that is the xylem. So metaxylem, protoxylem, and it consists of xylem vessel, xylem parenchyma, and few amount of tracheids, and it look like V and Y shape, and in between them there are large water filled cavity are there. So I hope so you understand. And phloem, look at here, in between xylem some phloem structure can found in there, and the phloem consists of sheath tube and companion cell, not other parts. So these are the internal structure of the total monocot stem. Today we study about the maize. So I hope so you understand my today's topics, and who are not getting well connected in my last class, please do the class, because that was also very important about the vascular bundle types. So hope so you understand this class today, and everyone stay safe, stay sound, take care all of you. That's all about today. Allah Hafiz.